This is a traditional Lashutsi narrative. Tujat, the flood. Alquadi tudi tuhak, tujat tish swatwid. A long, long time ago, the land had flooded. Tut elibaf ti spades, gualakalbaf, gualakalbaf, gualakalbaf. Sparrow had sung, and this caused it to rain and rain and rain. Chol shakabats a tish stuck up. Only the logs and trees were on top. As shachtab tish shek. Everything that was swept up by the flood was spread out. Atish skadech o osil up. There was a muskrat. He dove deep into the water. O hek e ti up. Gwal o walit tikast ekwil. He scratched the bottom and he brought a lot of dirt to the surface. Kasha halwa tish ekwil alti stab ek ohoyo tish swat. They patted this dirt on the things that had been swept up by the flood. Salats ashil tis osil tish skadech wo okwad tish ekwil. Muskrat dove 5 times and took the dirt. Hoi gwa o hoi hogwat tish swat. And then they were able to make the earth. Tuyayus tish atsish talbuf. Twaltis o hoyuds tis swat. Gwogwashash lil tish bugwat atahat. The people worked to make the earth so that everyone could live well. Bakwila. That is all.